It's time to change the way you think about pads. Meet Always Pocket Flex Foam. Full-size protection in a tiny pad. It's made with foam, not fluff, for up to zero feel and up to zero leaks. And it absorbs more. Ready to go where you go. Always Pocket Flex Foam.
We are basically an Uber for drones all across the United States.
DroneUp, a Virginia Beach-based company, is used to operating on the commercial front. Pilots use drones for mapping, analysis, or inspections.
We asked them, hey, what do you think about doing a test to test delivery with drones at scale?
Drone deliveries to help combat the coronavirus could be a high-tech hovering solution.
We knew that for critical deliveries with drones, we would need to deliver up to between a pound and 2 pounds of some kind of payload.
So they set out, along with UPS and the Virginia Center for Innovative Technology, for a 3-day simulation this month at an abandoned college in Lawrenceville, Virginia, to test the drone drop-offs.
And so we put various items in the bags. We put a bag of sand in there to give it some weight, and a medicine bottle and a box, just to simulate what could be dropped. We just wanted to test all the different kind of scenarios that you could think of that you would find in the real world.
Maneuvering through trees, power lines, and even battling wind, they attempted 103 drop-offs of these mock-up medical kits, and 100 of them were successful.
And you see that there's a fork on this side and a fork on that side. And when the landing gear is down, those forks intersect and you can hang something on there. It was wildly successful, way more successful than we thought.
Testing that could soon take to the air to support those needing critical care on the ground.
We're still looking for the sweet spot for delivery, but we're learning a lot, and I think there is a place for drone delivery.
I'm Chelsea Donovan for News 3.